All right, guys and gals. So I just received this package from Halfbreed blades in Australia to my European country. Apparently they will ship to you anywhere in the world, which is pretty good. And if you purchase somewhere above $300 US, I think shipping is free or something like that. So I'll just take my Benchman Arvensis and cut the package open. Let's see what we have there. So what's inside the package is a long infantry knife and a medium infantry knife. I think I recall ordering these two. I thought these were pretty beautiful looking at them on some YouTube videos, and packaging seems really solid. I mean, look how tight the packaging is. It was sent by Australia Post with full tracking, so I could follow the package along its way. Took its time, took 2 weeks, but you know, there was always some information about what the package was doing, where it was, so no problem here. So here is the first box, and here is the second one. Awesome. What do we have here? Okay, some literature maybe. What else? And that's it. Alright, let me get rid of that. Okay, so let's check the first one. I know Halfbreed blades have a very good reputation for the quality of their packages, and indeed, you can see that the package is really gorgeous. Very well done. I like the logo also very much. Let's see what's inside. Very nice. Attention to detail. So this seems to be the large infantry knife. So it slides out maybe? Oh no, it hinges open. All right, here we go. So we have a box with various documentation, stickers and everything. And here is the beauty. Very dense in the hand, heavy, good heft. I know I wanted the one with the scaled handle. It's a beauty, really. Let's look at side by side with the Benchmade Arvensis. It's pretty much the same size. And actually, I gave one of my Arvensis to a friend who was going to Ukraine as a soldier. And I just have this one left. So I looked up the Benchmade Arvensis recently, and I saw it wasn't made anymore. So I was looking for an equivalent. And I came upon the large infantry knife. It's exactly what I wanted. Fixed blade knife. So I think that we have the sheath right under. Yes, beautiful. Yes, that's great. Awesome. So that's the large infantry knife. Let's check the other one. The other one should be the medium. I think so. Yes. And so here we go. Same little pouch. And this is the medium infantry knife. So on Halfbreed Blade's site, there are several models, different models with this kind of point, with a different kind of point. I think they have 4 or 5 variations of the middle infantry knife now. And I took this one, which seemed interesting to me, and it looked pretty modern. I took the serrations also, and of course I had to have the scale handle, which I find beautiful and also very practical. Let's compare the large and the medium side by side. And the Arvensis Benchmade. I think this is the new Benchmade Arvensis, but maybe new and improved. But they look pretty close. But these are really beautiful knives. I'm so glad I ordered them. Let's check the sheath. Yeah, perfect. And the sheath is completely adapted for the type of point you have. It's not a generic one. If I had ordered that kind of point, I would get exactly the sheath for it, you know? Like this one. Great attention to detail. No problem here. This is perfect. I would highly recommend anyone interested in Halfbreed blades to go directly into their website and check if they ship to your country, because my experience directly shipping from Australia to Europe has been great, and custom clearance took just a day, and no complaints about that. And by going on their website, you will get all the latest models that maybe your local knife retailer wouldn't stock. Like this one. I think it's newly issued, and I don't think you could get it anywhere than Halfbreed Blade's website. Alright guys, here it is. So let me know if you have any questions or want to see any details about these knives. I'll be glad to answer. Cheers, bye bye.